What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1553, down 1.4 on the day. Seeing market cap of 187 billion, 24-hour volume 21.65 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, sign up, grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. Let's hop into the chart. So we have pulled back to our wave 4 zone, which is in between 1502 and 1419. Now, of course, we can still put an A, B, C correction. However, if we do come up and break this high, then your wave 5 target is all the way up to 1720. And to get that wave 5 target, take your trend-based through extension from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4. And that will give you a 618 extension of 1720. So if we do fail to break this high, then I do think we'll put in an ABC to bring you down to this yellow box. The maximum retracement is the 0.5 at 1414. So if that were to be lost, then you can no longer count it as a wave 4. But as of right now, it's looking good for continuation in my opinion. Healthy to see some pullback, as I mentioned. You don't want to see it absolutely pump to the moon, because the harder it pumps, the steeper it will correct. Oh, this is getting really annoying. So as of right now, this is exactly what we want to see for the price of Ethereum to see healthy continuation to the upside. Now on the daily time frame, we're just about to print the bullish cross of the 55 over the 20 EMA over the 55. Just as we did right here, we saw a nice pump to the upside. Right here we had the bullish cross, nice pump to the upside, and right here we had the bullish cross before a massive pump to the upside. So it can be quite a bullish signal, and it should print over the next few days. Your next major resistance to watch here is sitting at in between 1663 and 1773. As you can see, some beautiful bullish consolidation here. So hopefully we see that continuation. I do think it's likely, and continue to rally to the upside. As you can see here, we invalidated this head and shoulders pattern, and we've just come back to retest that level of support, just about to print that bullish cross here on the daily time frame. We are overbought, so it's good to see a little bit of cool off here, allow things to reset before seeing continuation in my opinion. The bearish scenario, we come down, we break the 0.5, and we reverse the trend here, but I don't think it's likely as of right now. I do think you're going to bounce up in a wave 5 to take you up to about 1720. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BitGet, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Email me your sign up email, and I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits, which you can sign up through the Patreon link. Everything else is free if you make your first deposit on BitGet and email me your sign-up email. No VPN required for my US traders. I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.